So there they go. I have too much work because we went away for 2 days and I've got to do work. The boys are going around Cape Point, well actually just the Navy base, for some snorkeling, and I've got to do some work, and I'm going to make some. I'm busy with somebody's website and I'm going to make some soup. So hopefully when they come back they've got nice, something nice and sad. I opened it too quickly and now it's a big mess. Such a mess. So the kitchen looks like this and I can hear the dinghy, so I think that on their way back I haven't had a chance to clean the freaking kitchen. And I couldn't get all my work done. I can confirm that the pressure cooker can explode.
The what?
The pressure cooker can explode.
Did it explode? Damage?
No, just my ego.
How did it explode?
I opened it up before it was completely calmed down.
Damage to the thing, or was it alright?
Don't know. So I'm gonna go inside and clean up, but then we can eat.
We're gonna get some mussels maybe.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Well, at least so we can come home with something.
Okay. Not with the bacon.
This is my day.
Potential
I'm sure. I'll send the bag. It's right next to
Bon appetit, Christo.
Bon appetit, Michelle.
That's it. So I found the old first aid kit. It's a little book. First aid. Anywhere, anytime. Noodop. Enige plek, enige tijd. I think not gonna happen. Dove. Never realized they've been around that long. Well, not random, I suppose. Laxative. Plasters. I wonder if these still work. They still work like that. Okay, let's see if there's... What? This is still like proper plaster. Rennies. Gauze dressing. No idea. So I'm gonna take it to, that's eye drops. I'm gonna take it to the pharmacy up the road and then I'll have a look to see which are still okay to use. And obviously the ones that expired in 1992, for instance, there you can see 1992, we'll throw away. And then I'll update our first aid box. Also 1992, most of them are 1992. Earplugs, all sorts of old shit. Found this one. Look. And before you know it, you actually need your own first aid kit. I need to put a warning out. The rest of our video clip until minute 5 has some graphic content. So if you're squeamish, I would skip right over. Otherwise, you will see some blood in the next couple of clips. Christo?
Just go to it.
Baden, did you warn him?
Hey?
Did you warn him?
I did. I volunteered to cut it for him, but he said no. You can do it.
But this is what would have happened to you if you...
No.
Yeah, look, this is the...
I think he cut whatever. What did he cut?
Just because I find it the guard.
Oh. So I'm doctor. I'm ship's doctor. I don't know if we need to get stitches. Don't you? So we put some plasters on Christo's finger, but we think he needs stitches. But they don't have emergency parking at the pharmacy, according to him. But at least he can drive. Just. Hey, babe?
Yeah, I can drive.
And reverse park. Okay, so I won't share more of the gruesome wound. It's all been fixed. I got stitch plasters. We actually ran out on the boat I had before, and we just stitched them together with plasters and put extra cover on.
Okay.
So the thing is, we've established that I will be ship's doctor, but Christo has control issues.
Can I rub it out?
Yeah. They act like stitches. Amazing! We used it on his foot a while back. And we got some new ones from the pharmacy.
Een dikke voor ons uitplak en ek die ekstra spit die nog op. Nee. Ek gaan nie, ek is bang uitplak nie. Maar met die oopduik, ja, is mooi gesiel nou.
Yes, but there's like lots of goo in
Ja, het
it.
is plat.
It's not. I think it's steel.
Dat is stil.
Kijk al. It's like... I don't think it's clean enough. Happy?
Ja. Miskien iets,
Dat nie, was het uit nie.
maar ek sal nog geen plak nie.
Christian, doen ons het oor.
Okay. Ek gaan toe huis, ja.
Ja. Ek wil dit met 2 wees. So after all the drama with the finger, my mum and my sister is here, and we took them out for a dinghy ride, and it wasn't actually great for Christo's finger because it was like he had to work on the engine and stuff, but that's all cool. And then we packed up the dinghy, and it goes into a bag, and then we save it there, as you can see, like there. And then in packing it up, we dropped some of the stuff in the water, and then he jumped straight into the water to get it before it sank. And that's his wet clothes. And now I've got to redo the wound because it's all wet. So it feels as if I need to explain a little bit what happened yesterday with Christo's hand. So we had lots going on. My mom and my sisters down from Victoria, and they came down for a visit, and we wanted to quickly cut the old anchor from the chain. So as he was getting the grinder out to cut the chain, the stainless steel guy from the yacht club walked past with his grinder, and he's like, "Hey Baden, can I use it quickly?" And he's like, "No, I'll do it." And he's like, "No, I'll do it myself." And then, so he basically wanted to cut the chain from the anchor, and he put his thumb over the grinder, and as he pulled, he pushed forward, as he would do on our one. But this grinder, Baden has actually taken off that protective shield. So as he pushed his thumb into the blade, into the open blade, and then it cut. He's fine, it's not as bad as we thought.
To Nigeria.
With what? A sore finger?
With a sore finger.
On my way to pick Christo up from...
Ik heb Epic begin.
It's 10 to 7, it's super dark still outside. I'm driving to collect Christo from the airport.
Wat se konteks? Ek gaan nou sê.
Okay.
Hierdie naweek is die
Joburg. Bye.
Zimbabwe.
Shut up and sit down.
time to replace our chain and also our anchor. We had to work through a mere 115 meters of chain on a lovely weekend. We were pretty tired afterwards. And in between all the traveling, we really tried to make time and socialize with the club. Like this, Christmas in July at the Valsbay Yacht Club. It was great fun.
Dan, you can see a lot of gym. Yeah, I think
If you like to stay updated and get notified when we post a new video, just click the subscribe button, that little bell at the top of your screen. See you next time. So at the airport waiting for Christo, and I'm going to stand behind these guys. So when he sees me and he smiles, they're going to think he's his guest. Okay. Here he comes. He doesn't know where I am, so he's checking. Look there. And now I'm going to stand behind this guy, so if he makes eye contact.
Ik ga het in de arm uit.